Samsung refrigerators, especially those with French doors and built-in ice makers, may experience failures in this component, disrupting normal operation. In this video, we detail the necessary steps to fix this common issue and extend the appliance's lifespan. The most common causes include A. Ice blockages. B. Faulty water valve or clogs in the fill tube. C. Incorrect temperature settings. Let's see how to fix the problem step by step. 1. Check basic conditions like water supply or settings. For example, check if the control panel displays error codes related to the ice maker. On Samsung units, error code 26E identifies this issue. Also, ensure that the ice maker's off button hasn't been accidentally activated. 2. Defrost the ice maker. Try removing the ice tray. If it's stuck, a severe ice buildup is likely causing the issue. Activate the automatic defrost mode (RD) function to clear ice before disassembling any components. If you prefer not to intervene, unplug the unit, leave the door open, and allow the ice to melt naturally. This may take hours or even days, but it will eventually resolve the problem. 3. If you want to resolve the issue faster, shut off the water supply to the ice maker to prevent leaks during the process. Now, open the ice maker compartment. If you can't remove the tray due to ice buildup, use a hair dryer on a low setting to speed up the defrosting process. Avoid high heat to prevent damage to plastic components. 4. Next, remove the ice maker from its compartment. Clear any remaining ice inside the ice maker to facilitate complete disassembly. 5. Check if the internal defrost system and mechanical components rotate correctly or if they're still blocked by ice. 6. Disconnect the electrical cables from the ice maker to safely remove it. 7. Carefully extract the ice maker, noting how it fits into the grooves and avoiding forcing the cover or surrounding components. 8. Once the ice maker is removed, thoroughly clean the internal area. Ensure all traces of ice, moisture, or debris are eliminated to prevent future issues. Check for cracks in the sealing line between the ice maker compartment and the rest of the refrigerator. Use a cold-resistant silicone sealant to cover these cracks. Apply a thick, even layer to the affected areas. 9. Remember, Samsung offers an upgrade kit designed to minimize this problem. Replace the plastic part in the ice maker's coil with the new version from the kit. 10. Reassemble the ice maker components, following the steps in reverse order. Ensure the cables are correctly reconnected and all parts are properly aligned to avoid future blockages.